Hello. Okay, I am going to mention that the type of paper that we use for that image, the sublimation paper. This is the one that we ordered from Amazon. They have another ones that are kind of like especially for cups that is half paper, so you don't have to cut so much like we were doing. But this one is the 8 by 5, 8.5 by 11, sorry. But then they have small ones like a 4.5 by 9 or something like that. Then this is the type of paper. On the printer that we use is especially for sublimation, and you cannot use it for something else. It has to be just for sublimation, okay? Then we are ready to peel this. She's going to peel hers first. Mine is still a little warm, then I don't want to burn myself. Then go ahead and reveal your picture. It's okay if you destroy the paper because the image is already on the cup. Let's see. You need help? Okay. Almost there. Everybody's like waiting for it. It's kind of like opening a present for Christmas. There you go. Now you can see, oh wow, it came out good, right? Look, it looks really nice and it is very shiny. That's one thing I love about the sublimation. Here is the result too with the two images. And then it's super shiny. You can put it on the microwave, you can put it on a dishwasher, and the image is not coming off. Okay? Then I highly recommend it to use it. Then now if you put the image, make sure that you put a lighter that has like a bright colors. The image that we had is a little dark. That's okay. We were just trying to test it anyway. But later I know that I have to make it lighter so it will show like beautiful bright colors. Okay, and then she's going to just keep doing that. But then this is the mug press, and then go ahead and use it and let me know what you think.